Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can disable sign-in options in Windows settings. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. Since this will involve changing the registry, it is important that you create a system restore, back up your registry, or both. Open the Registry Editor and navigate to HKLM Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Policy Manager, Default, Settings, Allow Sign-In Options. In the right pane, look for a D word called Value. If there isn't one, then right-click to create a new D word and name it Value. The default value is 1. Make it 0. Click OK. Then restart your system to let the changes take effect. If you then go to Settings, then Accounts, and Sign-In Options, the ways to sign in should be grayed out. To change it back, go back into the Registry Editor, go back to Value, and give it the default value of 1. Then, of course, restart your computer to let the settings take effect. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.